Yun, good morning mga boss. Dito muna ako, naglaba muna ako. But today is the graduation ni Mark Gavin, yung bunso ko. Supposed to be meron siyang message dapat na sasabihin sa during his graduation for his music teacher na si Mr. Jones. But unfortunately, hindi makakapunta si Mr. Jones sa graduation niya mamaya. So kahapon, andun yung si Mr. Jones sa classroom niya, and then doon na lang niya sinabi ang message niya para sa kanyang music teacher na ito.
Hi, my name is Mark Gavin. Mr. Jones, to have inspired us and to appreciate, to love music, to enjoy learning and playing an instrument from different parts of the world. Thank you for your patience, dedication, and hard work. Mahal from the Jason of Bengal.
Wow. Let me have a hug. Wow. I never heard you talk so much and so clear and so smart. Thank you, Marks.
A few moments later.
Yun, what's up mga boss?
Today is my graduation.
Yehey! Today daw, graduation ni Gavin.
Yeah! We can make the balloon.
So may balloon daw siya. So ngayon, papunta na tayo sa venue kung saan mag-graduate na yung aking bunso. Sa ibang school kasi hinahati ata ang kanilang ang kanilang mga student. Meron doon sa school nila sa Kendall, and then yung mga pre-K sa may Maritime Odyssey na preschool. So, tara! ¿Qué pasó, mamá?
Odyssey Preschool graduation. For honor to have you join our celebration. Thank you. Buenas noches y bienvenidos a la graduación Maritime Odyssey Preschool. Nos sentimos honrados que sea parte de nuestra celebración. Gracias.
my assistant, Ms. Glendy, and we have the pleasure of welcoming the first set of graduates from the Odyssey Kendall program. So give it up, Odyssey! Marks Gacken.
Gavin! Haha.
Tagalin mo na muna yung kapog eh. Hawakan mo. One more. Ito, tingnan natin kung mag-eat. Paano mag-eat?
Saan yung binigay sa'yo na money, Gavin? Where's the money? Wow! Yun mga boss, tapos na kaming kumain. And then may nagbigay pa ng pera kay Gavin ng $1, yung matanda, mabait yun. Inabutan niya si Gavin ng ng $1 kasi birthday, graduation daw niya.
Ano birthday? Okay na sana, di ba?
Busog na kami lahat. And then, diretso na kami uwi. Magpahinga na. Kaya yun mga boss, thank you sa lahat. And then, please subscribe na lang. And hit the notification bell para update kayo sa amin. Bye-bye!